Alright, cheers. Alright, now as the OZ is gone, I'm going to show you around this place. So this is our office in Nottingham. As you can see, fast track training, completely legit. compared to office spaces that are not real. This is our office space. You might have seen me make videos from over there in that corner. Usually that's the corner that a lot of people start crying in when they pass and become British. It's not called the crying corner, but internally I call it the crying corner. Here we have our training rooms. So this is our training room that we usually use if we're gonna have like 12 or more students. Ta-da! Very nice, very beautiful, very spacious, beautiful table. They put holes in it, but it's still a beautiful table. Here we do the training for students like 10 or more students. So if like we have lots of students, we sit here and do it in this room. If we have a few students, I'll show you the room we do it in with a few students. It'll be this one here. Ta-da! And so this is the room that you saw we were just using now. It's the small training room, roughly about 3 to 6 people. That one's about like 10 to 12. But in this room, the secret is this, and I'm going to tell you the secret. If you want to pass your test, you sit as close to the teacher as possible. The closer you are, the more likely you are to pass. True story. Most students that sit in the vicinity of the teacher pass very quickly, which is awesome. So this is our training room for a few people. I'll show you the rest of the building. So this is all the other offices. This is our office here, which is here, just on the side. Fast track training. I'm going to show you this room in just a second. This is our foosball table. So if anyone wants to relax or chill out, they'll usually come up here. And yes, the walls are very thin, so I can hear everyone playing and getting beaten up on this side. So I hid the ball. I took the ball and no one knows where it is. Shh, it's a secret, so no one gets to play and disturb me while I'm talking to clients and stuff like that. If the building manager is watching this, I deny everything. Okay, so this is our lovely waiting area. And this is our kitchen. So in the kitchen here, we usually have lunch and tea and coffee and things like that. So we do have a fully stocked fridge. Yes, I have put a label on it. Fridge and whatnot, but here we have all the tea. There's a lot of people drink tea. Everyone drinking tea, different types of tea. This is for me. I have my green teas, which I might actually have some green tea now. This is the normal tea, coffee, and everything. I'll show you back in the office now as well. Let's go get to the office. I forgot to put the kettle on, but I'll put it on in a second. I have a nice cup of green tea. Okay, so now this is where the magic happens. Now remember guys, I'm only showing it to you because you guys have subscribed to our channel and you know who we are, and this is our 11-year anniversary. I've never shown anybody how we help secure the future of hundreds of students all the time, thousands in fact over the years. But this is where it is. So without further ado, it is in this room where I do all of my administration. It is using this monitor, this monitor here that I use as a second screen. It is using this printer over here. This one you can't see here, that I print all the training material that everyone in the United Kingdom has to pass their exams. If you have anything that is got fast track training on it, it came from here. And this is the air freshener that I use when aunties and uncles come in and they've been cooking a lot of curry And this is the spray that I use after they come in, to make sure that the next group of people that come in don't think I also smell of curry. So spray it all up. And again, this is the board, which is the first board that we used 10 years ago when me and my dad were running a solicitor's firm on Radford Road in Nottingham. And this was in my office in the building that we had before COVID. And I took that board from that room, I brought it to this one, and hopefully I can keep this board and take it with me wherever I go. But this is the room. Now it's literally 6 o'clock. I have 1 or 2 phone calls to make, and then I'm going to call it a day for today. But I want to invite you to come and join me while I do my last bit of admin for the day. So thank you, Fast Trackers, for watching. We hope you're the very best. And if you ever want to come and be a part of our environment, this is our environment. This is what we do. And we do really enjoy our work. It's not work for us. We wake up every day and smile and say, who needs to pass their exams, and we just get it done for them. Thank you. And let's come and sit with me and do some work. You can join me and do some admin. You can be my administrator helper today. Thank you.